Months ago, we started to wonder what would happen if people sorted waste. According to Keep America Beautiful, if each American recycles just one plastic bottle, about 54 million t-shirts could be made. But a study by KIC showed that 50.8% of households don't sort their waste, with 79% believed it's so difficult to do. We all know waste sorting can be challenging, and since most of us have smartphones, so how about using them to simplify that process? That's the point we came up with SoWaste. SoWaste follows Goal 12 and 13 among the Sustainable Development Goals. Now, take a look at our solution. SoWaste's AI camera can detect types of waste from the photos you provide, and help to learn proper handling, all while promoting environmental awareness. Our Waste Dictionary provides you information of many types of waste. We offer a wealth of data on waste management. Besides, quiz feature with multiple choice questions can help to comprehend each type of waste. Keep up to date with environment news. We curate articles from legal sources to help users be up to date about news related to waste management. Plus, you can do your part in reducing waste by using Scrap Shop Finder to find nearby scrap shops. How easy you can take your waste for recycling now. SoWaste takes most advantages of Google Cloud Platform. Our app is powered by AI built on PyTorch that can detect waste easily. The front end developed on Flutter framework offers great user experience, while Golang and MongoDB are used for backend and data storage optimally. With the support of SoWaste, users can be encouraged to sort waste properly and avoid wasting resources. Say goodbye to waste confusion, improve eco-friendly habits with the help of SoWaste. Sort smarter, not harder.